Driving a greener future for manufacturing requires understanding, action, and collaboration. We've built a solution that delivered over 170 self-assessments, helping companies understand their current sustainability level and identify key areas for improvement. More than 160 action plans, developed by experts, offering practical steps for companies to integrate sustainability into their operations. Over 80 funded sub-projects, successfully linking manufacturing SMEs with sustainability and technology providers to test and implement innovative solutions. A community of 260-plus manufacturing companies, all actively seeking to become more environmentally friendly. A network of 290-plus sustainability and technology providers, offering the expertise and solutions needed for a green transition. A hub with 590-plus members, facilitating dialogue, knowledge sharing, and collaboration. Our solution delivered 2 innovative pathways by funding projects that connected manufacturing SMEs with sustainability technology providers to test new methods and technologies for cleaner, energy-saving, and cost-reducing operations based on the 3 pillars: economic, social, and environmental. These providers are impactful, offering both advanced sustainability technology and crucial social innovation expertise. Secondly, we supported manufacturing SMEs in implementing the recommendations from their Advanced Sustainability Action Plans, ASAP, to become more sustainable, adaptable, and resilient. Together, we drove meaningful change, equipping manufacturing with the tools and connections needed for a greener tomorrow. Explore the resources and learn more about the impact we achieved.